morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my dear and lovable students. In today's class, we will learn about transactions that will not affect the consignee and general entries in the consignee's books. The consignee is unworried about the profit or loss made on the consignment. As a result, he will not open a consignment account. The main account in the consignee's books is the consignor's personal account. What account? Consignor's personal account. This account is opened in order to determine the amount payable to the consignor. This account is debited with the consignor's advance, the consignee's expenses on consignment, and the consignee's commission. It is credited with gross sale proceeds. These accounts balance represent the amount payable to the consignor. If the balance is not paid, this account will show a credit balance and consignee shows it as a liability in balance sheet. Keep in mind, my dear students, the beginner's mistake. Journal entries for the following transactions will not be recorded in the consignee's books. Number 1, receipt of goods on consignment, expenses of consignor, discounting of bill by consignor, consignment stock, profit or loss on consignment. Transaction, advance given or final remittance by the consignee to the consignor. In this transaction, two accounts are affected. One is personal account and other one is real account. So what is the personal account rule, Nana? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. What is the real account rule? Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So who is the receiver? Consignor is the receiver. Debit the consignor account data. From the consignee viewpoint, cash is going out or check or bills payable is in a liability. Consignor account data to cash or bank or bills payable account. Transaction number 2. Expenses paid by consignee. Any expenses incurred by consignee, it should burn by whom? Nana? Consignor. So what is the general entry? Consignor account data to cash or bank account. In general business, when expenses incurred, what is the general entry will pass? Expense account data to cash or bank or payable account. So instead of writing the expense name, we will debit the consignor's name. Very, very important transaction. Most of them are aware. In the books of consignor, whether it is cash sale or credit sale, entry will be same. But in the books of consignee, we have to segregate entry for cash and credit sales. For cash sales, general entry is cash account data to consignor. Why consignor account is credited? Because from the viewpoint of consignee, consignor is a creditor, is a liability holder. So cash is payable to consignor. So what is the general entry? Cash account data to consignor account. Next, for credit sale, general entry. In the normal business, when you make a credit sale, what is the general entry? Customer account data to sales account or debtor account data to sales account. Here, same Nana. Debtor account data, instead of sales, we write consignor name. Debtor account data to consignor's account, being goods sold on credit. The transaction, commission receivable by consignee. The main source of income for consignee is commission. A fee charged for his service is called commission. So what is the general entry? Consignor's account data to commission account. Last transaction, bad debts. In general, in consignment business, all risk should be borne by consignor only. But when delivery commission is given, consignee will bear bad debts risk. For that, an extra commission is given. It's called delivery commission. So under bad debts, when delivery commission is not payable, the general entry will be consignor account data to debtor account. Why consignor account is debited? Because from viewpoint of consignee, it's a decrease in liability. So consignor account is debited. Next, when delegated commission is paid, who will bear the risk? Consignee will bear the risk. So bad debts account data to debtor account. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.